I would define sustainability as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the future generations.
Sustainability is not a one-dimensional idea, and E&LP is embracing that in our projects.
In the past, these contaminated properties were basically removed from service and fenced off.
So what's next? How do we think about the second life of that development?
We're on the front lines of climate change, and we're seeing more and more heavy rain events.
Creating infrastructure that can withstand storm events and recover quickly is very important.
How do we work with communities to create a more equitable future?
Community has an important voice.
It's not for us, it's for the people who live there.
E&LP has a strong investment in mentoring programs and educational programs.
Who will be the leaders of the future and make sure they have an opportunity to grow and shine?
At E&LP, we felt it's imperative that we not only look at our company's future within the sustainable space, but the entire region and field in which we work. Everyone is in this together. Everyone's sustainable future can be realized.